So how to get your first, let's say, $500 per day doing affiliate marketing, right? Basically promoting digital products for, let's say, 75 to even 100% commissions. If you are choosing the right offers, for example on ClickBank or any other affiliate network, you can and you should expect to make $500 days if you are, of course, promoting, let's say, high quality products, right? High quality offers. What I mean by that, by that I mean that you should choose and pick the product where people are already willingly spending money hand over fist every single day. So you can go into, for example, let's say health space, weight loss, keto diet, back pain, teeth whitening. We also have a special offers like solar offers, right? That are really popular now, let's say in Australia and US, right? Especially US. So if you're looking for a way to scale up your affiliate marketing business, right, to start having results as a newbie online, then after watching this video, click the links below, and there are going to be links to my social media accounts where you can reach out to me and ask me any questions you want, right? So the most important thing is to pick the product with a good upsell take rate, right? What is upsells? For example, simple thing, if you go to cinema, you buy ticket and then they sell you the upsell, for example, cola, popcorn and stuff like that, right? So if you have the right offer, if a good quality offer, right, first of all, with little to no refund rate and good upsell take rate, then of course you can start generating results and having success with affiliate marketing immediately. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any more questions, just click the link below and do let me know if you want to have done for you affiliate campaigns and start generating results.